Which character can these pieces make? It's xin, which means new. This character has 4 parts. This was designed by Wenyi Cao to help Chinese learners learn Chinese easier. She has published 4 Kindle books, and these books are available on Amazon. Today, I am going to show you how to purchase these Kindle books and download it on your devices. Step 1. Open the App Store or the Google Play Store. Search Kindle. Then you can download it. Once it is installed, open it. Then sign in with your Amazon account. If you want to download Kindle app for PC, this is how. Go to Amazon.com and search Kindle for PC, and then purchase it. It is free. After your purchase is completed, click Your Digital Items, and then click Download on your to install Kindle on your PC. Please remember to sign in with your Amazon account in the Kindle app. Step 2. Go to Amazon.com and search Wenyi Cao. You will see the author page that lists all books by Wenyi Cao. Click one book and then click Look Inside to see sample pages of the book before you make a purchase. Scroll down to see more of the sample. Then choose your device and then you can purchase it. It will automatically go to your device after. Step 3. Go back to the Kindle app on your device. You will see the new book you just purchased. If it's not fully downloaded, wait a moment. Then open it. You can search characters like Ma. Click here to see the page's preview. Then you can click Menu to see the table of contents. You can scroll down. Book 1 has 114 Chinese characters. Book 2 also has 114 Chinese characters. Also, Book 3 and 4 both have 126 Chinese characters.